Alright, so hey everyone, this is a bit of a different video today. I guess I just decided to show you a little Lego thing I created because the whole quarantine and everything has kind of left everyone bored. So, decided to try and do something to alleviate said boredom. So this is a little Lego bot I made. Relatively simple. Well, I guess he's kind of a transformer as well because he does have hinges. Yeah, it's just really just pulled together from a bunch of different pieces from different sets because that's what Lego is. But alright, so I guess I'll do this transformation now. And I'm sorry I sound like really tired. I'm just the boredom's kind of getting to me. Alright, so this folds out. This comes into play later. So set that aside. Stand them like this. Flip this whole section up. Take the little L sections. Fold those down. Kind of looks like he's like, come on, put him up. Put up your dukes. Yeah, it's a very simple creation because, again, it's Lego and I don't really have much I can do with them. This, you fold along like that. And this is his weapon. It's a hammer. That just plugs on. Can hold it surprisingly well. Except what I like to do sometimes is just have it rest like that. It's kind of like a pose for him. He kind of has no real head syndrome and no real hand syndrome. And he is rather, I guess he's not really back heavy. As long as you don't have anything built on his back. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with this video. This is rather... This is kind of like one of the dumbest ideas I've probably ever had. But whatever. I'm doing this for me. Because being bored sucks. No one likes being bored. I mean, I guess technically he does kind of have a secondary mode. Like a little, I guess, speeder? I don't know what exactly you would call this. I mean, it doesn't exactly roll, but he kind of just skids across the ground. I'm just like trying to see at this point like what I can and can't do with this. Let's take his hammer. Maybe plug that into this section. Now you can, I guess, kind of have like a... how do I do this? Kind of like an excavating thing, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I mean, if you guys have any ideas of what I can do with this guy, maybe like find some ways to improve the build, even though I don't have all that much parts to do it with in the first place. But if you guys can think of anything that I can do to improve, I guess let me know down in the comments. Anyway, you may be wondering, how am I holding up the camera, considering I don't have a stand normally? Made my own out of Legos. Because that's how bored everyone is during the... This is how bored I am during the quarantine. I'm just making crap up. Ignore that. But, yeah. Well, this is Shindo saying, see you in the next video.